Hi, this is Christopher Morgan from Stave, and today we're going to be talking about web portals. I think we all know what a web portal is. It's a place where you can go in your browser that lists everything out, kind of like a dashboard for your personal life. You can put things there and see everything at a glance. Now, I know at work, a lot of you are using ServiceNow Express to support your customers. And if you go to ServiceNow Express, it looks like this. There's a lot of options, there's a lot going on. But for your casual end user that's trying to interact with it, it might appear a little bit convoluted. So the question is, how do you provide that friendly web portal experience that's your customer when you're using ServiceNow Express? Well, at Stave, we came up with a solution. We developed a portal for ServiceNow Express. And in our world here, we named our internal portal the Employee Self-Service, or ESS. And you access this just by going to the corporate website, and here you go. So this is a graphical web front end to ServiceNow Express. And at a glance, I can see the top 6 functions that I'm going to use ServiceNow for on a daily basis. That might be to check my approvals, to view my requests, to view the incidents that I've opened, search the knowledge base, view the entire service catalog to order goods or services, and of course the live feed. And I can see at a glance what I have to deal with and what I'm working on. So I've got 3 pending approvals that I need to do, and with just a simple click, I can go in and see what I have requested. Same with the incidents. I can go into here and see the incidents that I have opened and check the status. And this gives empowerment to me as an end user because I know that my team's working on it, my IT team is supporting this incident, and I don't need to call the service desk again to bug them. Now, because we also realized that this was designed for your employees, and a lot of your employees are working on the go on their mobile devices, we created the same experience for the mobile phone. So it's actually the same code base, and it uses what's called responsive design. So if I open up the same exact portal on the browser on my small screen mobile device, it just scales it down. I get the same experience, the same functionality, but it's designed for the screen that I have with me in my pocket. The same is also true across devices. So even on the iPad here, I have the same portal experience. Can access the same areas of ServiceNow Express, but it's better suited for the size of this larger screen. Then what we did next, because we realized that every business is different and there's going to be some degree of branding and customization, is we allowed the capability to edit this portal for each customer. So if I have the admin role, I can just go down to the bottom and I'll see an edit button. When I click that, I can access the page properties, and I can change different elements of the screen here. I can change the images very easily. So if I wanted to brand it with different slider images that matched my industry or company, I'd be able to do that just by clicking in. And we've even made some of these screens here clickable, so you can come in and simply change that message. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be a coder. You need to know how to click, how to read, and how to type in words for your portal here. So very easy to configure and customize. It does not take a lot of time or impact, and you get a very user-friendly, graphical, web-based front end for ServiceNow Express to be able to better support your customers. This is Stave Express Portal. It's available on the ServiceNow store, and we hope that you give it a try today.